How to archive order on Amazon. So if you're going to be doing this via the Amazon application, the process might be slightly different, but the actual option that you need to choose are going to be the same. Now pull up your Amazon.com's official website by using your browser, but on this video I'm going to be using Chrome. Now make sure that you're already logged in into your account. First step is hover your mouse into Accounts and List and then go to Orders. This is where all your orders that will show up, or if you would like to archive specific order that has already been past 3 months or so on and so forth, just simply tick this box here and choose on the specified order that you would like to archive. Now, next thing is to click the current order that you would like to hide, and then just choose an option there that says archive order. Then on the next page, you will be asked that even though it will no longer appear in your orders, you will still can view it in archive orders from your account. To confirm, just choose on archive order and it will automatically be hidden in your Amazon account. And that's it. That is how you archive order in Amazon.